Hey, how's it going, everyone? I want to go over a chart with you guys on SNDL as SNDL and TLRY, which I'm going to go over TLRY in the next video. So if you guys want to check out that one, definitely check that one out. But I'm going to go over SNDL as SNDL ended the day with about 300 million volume and an average to have about 240. So I'm going to go over an exact analysis on which indicators we're going to be looking out for on this breakout. And I do have a specific price point that I want to break as well. So I'm going to go over that as well. But I also am going to go over an exact alert that I'm going to set so that way if it does break out, we won't miss out on it. And again, I do appreciate all the love you guys have been showing me in the comment section as always. Much love to you guys. And if you guys have not subscribed, we do go all out Monday through Friday on entries and breakouts. So definitely subscribe if you guys want to see more entries and breakouts and alerts that we do set for every stock. So that way you guys do not miss out on them. So again, SNDL could possibly break out. We're going to see if it can break a key resistance here. Now, the indicator, the indicator that I'm going to be using this this price point for is the VPVR. This is the volume profile, and we have a very key volume point that we want to break out of that we saw previously. This is on the 1 hour. So ultimately, in my opinion, we need to break over 139. 139, 138 around that area would be our previous sell-off point. That is where we saw previously when it did gap down right here. We did break below that point and we gapped down. You can see that we are starting to create some momentum, and we want to break above this $1 mark. A very key resistance for these penny stocks is $1. So again, we want to see if SNDL can break over $1. In my opinion, break over $1, $2. $1.02, as we did get to that point and got rejected previously. If we could break over $1.02 going into tomorrow with the momentum and volume going into tomorrow, and again, we would need more buy volume. But again, if we do get this momentum going into tomorrow, in my opinion, we do need to break over that $1.38 mark to give us even higher momentum shift, as that it was the most amount of volume that was traded in this stock in the last 30 days. So again, SNDL will be on the watch. We are going to see if it can break out. I'm going to go over the 5 minute for a possible continuation, as again, they got a lot of momentum going into today, so they could possibly have a nice scalp play going into tomorrow. So I'm going to show you guys exactly what we're looking at on the 5 minute. You can see on the 5 minute, we are consolidating nicely. We do see the 20 MA starting to curl up. We could see that the price action is trying to bounce off of it. We want to make sure that we don't get too many points where we do drop below the 50 MA. We want to see the 20 MA continue on up while the price action is on top of it, so that way we can break out. And ultimately, we do see volume that has been coming in. We do have an old alert that is around this area right here. So we probably do want to break into that, so that way we can get the volume that we're looking for. If we can't break into that volume point, that is right above our previous volume point right here, actually, that I can see what we were looking at previously. If we break above this volume point, then we can see the breakout that we're looking for. Now, if it does not give us the volume that we're looking for, in my opinion, then we might see a huge pump fake and we might just start to sell off. And of course, that's not what I want, and that's not what I expect necessarily, but we are going to keep this in consideration, that we are decreasing in buy pressure and we're also decreasing in sell pressure. So we're going to see if these white shaded lines that are going into more buy pressure momentum can continue on up and break above our previous buy pressure point. So that way we can have a nice run on SNDL. Now, again, like I said, SNDL will be on the watch. I will be setting this volume alert right above our previous volume point on the 5 minute to see if we can break out going into tomorrow. But again, I hope you guys have been enjoying our entries and breakouts. We have been going crazy. We had a great play. I mentioned BTX a few weeks ago, and it went up over 1,000% since then, which is actually crazy to think about. But there's many other plays that we've been going over. In the next one, like I said, TLRY, which is another cannabis play. But again, hope you guys have been enjoying our entries and breakouts. I do appreciate all the love you guys have been showing me in the comment section as always. And if you guys do have a watch list, tickers, questions, anything at all on your mind, throw in the comment section. I love talking to you guys. And if you guys do like this video, it does help people find it, and it does help the channel grow, and I appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.